Hi, I'm CD. Today I have Dimitri and John with me. We are going to go over our 15.6 milestone planning. First, I'm going to hand over to Dimitri, who will be talking the features that we planned for the next milestone.
Sure, Suzy. So we are going to continue some of the work we started in previous milestone. For example, we're going to work on the front-end part of filtering results by programming language. We've already completed the backend part, and we're going to move to the front-end section of the work. Also, we're going to work on including users to advanced search, because right now we use database and it's not very performant. Also, we're going to work on some REST API documentation in this milestone. And as the last point, we have a stretch goal for working on the front-end part of adding new facets for labels, specifically for issues.
Yeah, very exciting. Thank you, Dimitri.
Cool.
John, do you want to talk about the maintenance work?
Yeah, I'd love to. So first on the list for us is to work on index lifecycle management. We're also calling that search curation. And that is because as we scale at GitLab, as the corpus of documents grow in number, we want to have the indices have automatic curation so that the shard sizes are within our recommended sizes. And so that's what ILM will be doing. We're continuing that work in this next milestone. Really, that's going to be awesome when it comes to performance. And speaking of performance, we're going to continue working on our error budget. We're rolling out new and improved monitoring. And so for this milestone, we want to continue along that path. And also performance is we're investing into Rally. Thanks to Terry, who's not on the call, we kind of have the skids greased on using Rally for testing the performance of Elasticsearch in particular for GitLab. And we want to continue that path and figure out how to add more customized data sets and customized workloads so that we can continue doing Elasticsearch specific performance testing. And there is one thing on the documentation piece. We're going to do a few documentation updates. One of those including the limitations of special characters in search. So expect to see some documentation updates in the future. With that, I'll hand it back over to you, CZ.
Thank you, John. Other than the features and the maintenance work, we also leave some boundaries for the bug fixes. We have listed a few notable bugs in this planning issue. I probably won't cover all the details for each of them. Feel free to check the links here to see more information for those issues. Other than bugs, Nick also planned some work for the UX design. The first one is to have an ability to filter out the forked project from the code search result. The second one is to provide indicators for multiple matches in the code search result. And the last one is to have a better support for the multiple project selection. So from the design, I think we are in the process of moving the control element to the left side bar. I think that leaves us more flexibility to provide the new design and the new capability for multiple projects selecting. Yeah, I think that's all that we planned for the 15.6 release. Yeah. Thank you for watching.